Welcome to ASMA TV. ASMA is doing a great job for the last 3 years.
ASMA now it has
the digital world in education as well.
I think if you talk about
ASMA 2020 even at a bigger, larger scale.
Keep doing what you're doing. It's really encouraging.
Great job, great show. Keep rocking and I wish you all the best.